It's the boar tide. What is it? Are you being silly? You can hear it. Here it goes! Here it goes! Oh my gosh, she's being so silly. We haven't been here in years. Like probably 3 years. And before that we were here every 3 days. That's bumpy. Let me move to my other hand. There we go. And we drove past the boar tide on the way down here at Bird Point, and I'm just getting to know all the nooks and crannies, like where it's soft, watching the dogs cross, try not to get stuck. How about right here? Will you show me where can I cross? Right there? That looks solid, thank you. Okay, whoop, and it worked. All right, let's keep going. We had to choose between the setting sun, which I knew it would be in shadow down here, and the boar tide when I figured out that it was 2 hours past low. Oh goodness, Axe. And even though we're in shadow, I feel like I nailed it, because look at that. Oh my gosh. There. Yeah, we only get to see, and these guys, we only get to see the sun from the back face right now, but that's okay. We're good. I'm just checking everything out because we haven't been here in forever. The beach is lower, so that was weird. Like to get from the rocks where we normally just walked straight down, now it's like a 4-foot drop off. So that was wild. And there's the boar tide out there. No, kayaks this way, come! This way, come! I mean, maybe if it flows like it used to, then I don't want you guys out there. Because, yeah, you can hear it roaring. Oh, there's some silliness. Look at you. Oh, and that's not too bad. Huh? Yeah. Let's run around over here. Hey, silliness. Hi. I know what you want. A biscuit. Look at that mud slobber. Huh? Blobber. Oh, here it comes. Oh, wow. Okay. There it is. There's the wave. It's minus 2.5 tide today. So, here is your biscuit. While we watch the boar tide, you can eat that. And yes, okay, Axe, you can have one too. Look, it's the boar tide.